Hey, what's up guys? This week I'm going to be talking about a popular Filipino dessert that is one of my favorites. It is the Maja Blanca, and I'm going to show you how to make it right now. Alright guys, to start this recipe off, we're going to take 2 cans of coconut milk, give it a stir, and bring it to a boil. While that's going on, you're going to take some cornstarch flour, about 3/4 of a cup, and about 3/4 of a cup of any liquid. It could be milk or coconut milk. Add in your corn kernels, put the lid on and bring it to a boil, which after you're going to add in your condensed milk, pinch of salt, and we're going to add in our cornstarch mixture. Now you're going to bring this to heat to about low to medium heat, and we're going to spray our baking tray with some coconut oil. Could be any oil you like. It doesn't have to be coconut oil. And then after, we're going to put in our Maja Blanca mixture in the baking tray. And then leave this in the fridge for about 2 hours and you're pretty much done. I'm going to finish this off by toasting some coconuts in a dry pan for about 2-3 minutes until they become golden color. And then just put this on top of the Maja Blanca and you're finished. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and give this recipe a try. Let me know what you think by commenting and subscribe to my channel on YouTube. Alright, peace out.